When God's force is active, from David to Anatoly. When young David stood before the giant Goliath, the world saw a shepherd boy with a sling. But the world didn't see God's invisible power in that moment. David didn't win by muscle, speed, or technique. No, the true force behind that flying stone was God himself. It was divine speed, divine aim, and divine timing. In 1 Samuel 17:45, David said, "You come to me with sword and spear, but I come to you in the name of the Lord of hosts." That name, the name of the Lord, was the real power behind the victory. Today, when we see unusual strength, talent, or miracles in our world, don't just applaud the human effort. Open your eyes and heart to the hidden hand of God working through people. I recently saw a man named Anatoly lifting great weights with ease. Many call him strong, but I say perhaps God's invisible force is active in him. Maybe, like David's sling, Anatoly is being used as a vessel to show that when God moves, even the impossible becomes light. So what does this mean for you and me? It means you don't need to be the strongest, just trust the strongest one. You don't need the loudest voice, just speak with God's truth. You don't need all the skills, just be willing and God will provide the force. Say this with me. Lord, make me like David, ready to move and filled with your power. Because when God's hidden force becomes active, even a simple stone can bring down a giant. Don't underestimate what God can do through you.